Okay, hey guys. Day one of building a coffee cart. It's very snowy today in Idaho, as you can see, but it's a sunny, beautiful blue sky day, which is so great. We got all of the ingredients from Home Depot yesterday. So we're gonna cut up these pieces of wood into basically this is gonna be the coffee cart. And then we got some paint. I don't know if we'll get to it today.
Get to cutting.
That's right.
You're dealing with the camera. Get to work.
Let's do a fit check today. Okay, so we got our boots. Okay, where are those?
Romeo's.
Yep.
Georgia boots.
You got
going strong. Got the Carhartts, double knee, little little dirties. What I used to work in. Got the Wrangler plaid red. Got the Carhartt vest I got from Ella for Christmas last year. Got the sunglasses from Costa Rica. Stanley, Idaho hat. We're good to go.
All right.
Yeah. Here you go. Let me see it.
Okay, so today's fit, I got the leggings. I got the hand-me-down boots from a friend in Idaho because I'm a North Carolina girl. And then we got the, what brand
Noble.
is it? Noble?
Yeah.
Husband's
Mine.
jacket. Okay, is this your fit check or mine? Got the glasses. Apparently these are
mine
like
too.
Yeah, these are yours. They're like
Too savage.
They're sawdust can't get into them.
Yeah.
So, but they also are great for the brightness of
They're pretty.
and then let's see. I got lifted on.
Yep.
I got the baby bump.
Mm-hmm.
She's
Pregnant.
She's in there.
Baby girl.
Well,
2 baby girls.
2 baby girls. Okay, so what are we using these for?
These are gonna go flush to the outside. We're gonna get a little gap, and this board is gonna slide right in to that groove, and we'll be able to take it apart, put it back together without screws or nails or anything.
Yeah. So we've gotten the bottom and the top piece of the cart, and so these are the exact same size and measurements, and this one will be on the bottom, this one will be on the top. And now we're cutting another piece. What is this going to be? It's going to be one of the sides, so a little bit smaller, and we're just cutting like 3 inches off right here to make it the perfect height.
What are we doing now?
Okay, so now we have the top piece, the bottom piece, and the front panel. So we're going to use this remaining piece of wood to make the 2 side pieces, and we're doing a center, right? Is that what? Yeah, we're doing a center piece to separate the plumbing and the waste.
Those are 30 inches.
Okay, so now we have all of our pieces of wood to make the cart, and we are sanding down just this top layer because we're going to be painting these white. Okay, it's time for my lunch break. Dylan's still working. I gotta feed my baby. Okay, so this is the bottom. This is like the base of the cart. So each panel will go and fit in between these 2 little pieces. And so that will be like the base that supports all of it. And then we'll do the exact same thing and make the little like square outline for the top of the cart. So then everything will be supported by essentially these little canals, if you so want to call them. So you just slide that in. Sturdy. Stays. Okay, it's coming together. Okay, here comes the most exciting part. We have completely finished the skeleton. Is that what you would call it?
Yeah.
Of the cart. So we're gonna assemble the cart. The top of it, and it also has the same like locking system. The final assembly. That looks so good.
I just got a line.
Okay, this one's in. Wow. Wow, Dylan. Spectacular job. Well, there we have it. Our coffee cart. We did it. Good job. It's great. You did it all.
It just slides in.
If you slide that in, it just adds extra support. And it kind of separates once we get the plumbing in there. This side will be where the espresso machine sits.
Well, that'll be all the water stuff.
Right.
And waste.
Here was the original little blueprint. And here is the final product. Okay, last little feature is Dylan added a little shelf right here. Just for like, it's also just easy to not have in there if we don't have space for it. So, great little feature with the extra wood. And now we're gonna disassemble, and by we I mean Dylan is gonna disassemble the cart. And we're gonna add the wheels to the bottom. Okay, we just wanted to show you guys the final cart before it is painted all pretty and looking all nice. The pieces from Home Depot last night, which took about an hour. So in all, the project took us 5 hours. In total, all of these supplies cost us $300 to just build out a cart. If you guys
And
are
paint. And paint.
and paint. No, but we bought the paint.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying.
Oh yeah,
We haven't painted it, but we bought the paint.
the paint. So if you're trying to build out your own coffee cart and you're gonna do it yourself, you can always just build it with some sturdy wood from Home Depot. All we have to do is paint it and get really good at making coffee, and then we'll be setting up shop. So this is gonna be a fun journey. Today was day one. Good job. Hey, we'll see you guys soon.